Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 2-star property.
In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything about this resort like amenities, room category, location, landmark, facilities and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the property location, directions and landmarks are also provided here. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to Bhumika.com. Its review rating is 6.8, which is the good.
Room category 1. You can see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc.
Next, we discuss the amenities of this property. As you can see on the screen, in this property, the type of room is available on Bhumika.com. You can book online and enjoy it.
The location of the property is fine and guests typically enjoy the peaceful surroundings.
Checking time in this property is 12 p.m. and checkout time of this hotel is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this property along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book this hotel provided in the description. If you have any problem booking a room in this property, you can drop a message and very helpful. For booking your room in this property, if you have stayed in this property, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, will meet again in a new property.